then, so I picked up a new tank bag. Now, I didn't want anything oversized, too big. It's just something that I can take out on the day and just put a few bits and bobs in that I need. So I looked around and I decided to go with the Shad E09C, which apparently is a 9 litre. So how big is it? What can you fit in it? Obviously that depends what you're putting in. There, pair of gloves, 4 Coke size cans. Still got a little bit of room on the sides. You've also got the mesh parts bits off. Put more valuable things that you don't want rattling around. Phone, GoPro, sat nav, things like that. Now it has got this little button on the side here that's removable, and you can buy a separate lock that fits in there, so that once you've clipped it to the bike you can lock it, but there's no actual lock. Well, it's got loops for a padlock, but there's no actual fitted lock that comes with the tank bag. And the lock, I believe, is around about 20 quid. So I don't think I'm ever going to be leaving it on the bike while I'm not there, so I think I'm probably not going to invest in that. Maybe later in the day. So the way it secures to the bike, you have the clip that you attach to the petrol tank, and then on the underside of the tank bag you have the recess there, and you just sit that down on top of it and it clicks into place and fastens on, and then when you want to release it, there's a little button at this side, so you just press the button and lift it off the bike and it comes away. So in the tank bag you get the fitting kit, well, the click system kit, which is bike specific, the invoice, silica gel, rain cover, carry strap, and the tank ring that fits to the bike. So you don't actually get any instructions with it, or I didn't anyway. So what you have to do is you get your phone and you scan this QR code on the front, and that takes you to the website where you can have a look at the fitting guide, the user guide. So, in the box, you get the fitting pack, all the screws and spacers in, and then you get this little brace bar here. Right, first things first. Open the collar. Open the fitting kit. So I've got 2 short bolts with collars, medium bolt with a collar, a long bolt with a collar. We've got 2 screws. Right. So the 2 screws are a PH2, and if we look, these countersunk on this side, and the bump out goes with a radius to the back. Right, that's the 2 screws in. Right, so if we offer this up, See, those two line up there. So the bottom two are lining up, and the top two are lining up. Okay, right, so when you offer it up, it is these two and these two that are to be removed. It's a 4mm Allen key. Right, that's the 4 originals out. So they're all short and that one's long for some reason. So the collars are all the same size. So we'll just put all the collars in loose. Yeah. Thought that was hollow in the back then, but it's not. And just sit that loose on top. So you get 3 different set of screws. You get the 16s, which go in the back. Just start them off with your fingers, not cross-threaded. And you get a 30mm and a 50mm. And it says, according to the instructions, that the 30mm goes top left if you're looking forward on the bike. And the 50mm goes top right as you're looking forward on the bike. So we'll just do those at finger tight. Right, so the new bolts are a 3mm Allen key. Just get the ratchet. I'm just not going up. Not to over tight them because I don't feel that secure, to be honest with you. Now the back ones do. Sign it right up. Right then, it doesn't give you a torque setting in the instructions, it just says to tighten them and to check them every 4 months. Right, I think that's job done.